There's a little 3-ingredient drink that has taken over the internet. People are calling it the gelatin trick, and it supposedly helps you feel fuller, eat less, and finally get the scale moving again. So does it actually work? Today I'm giving you the real recipe, the honest science behind it, the mistakes that ruin it for most people, and the truth about why it works for some women and completely fails for others. Stick with me, because the ending is the part nobody talks about. Let's start with the recipe, because this is what everyone's searching for. 3 ingredients. 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin. 1 cup of warm water, warm, not boiling. And 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Sprinkle the gelatin over a little cold water first and let it bloom for 2 minutes. Then stir in the warm water until it's completely clear. Add the apple cider vinegar, stir again, and if the taste is too sharp, a squeeze of lemon helps. You drink it about 20 minutes before your largest meal of the day. That timing matters. It needs to be in your stomach before you eat. So why does this actually do anything? 2 reasons. The gelatin is mostly protein, and it gently expands in your stomach, which helps you feel full so you naturally eat a little less at that meal. And the apple cider vinegar slows how fast your stomach empties, softening the blood sugar spike after you eat, and steadier blood sugar means fewer cravings later. So the trick isn't magic. It's 2 real mechanisms, fullness and blood sugar support, working together before your meal. But here's where most people go wrong. They use boiling water, which damages the gelatin. They drink it right as they sit down instead of 20 minutes before. Or they grab flavored gelatin loaded with sugar, which completely defeats the purpose. Get those wrong and the trick does nothing, which is why so many people say it didn't work for them. And now the part nobody talks about. Even when you do it perfectly, the real problem is keeping it up. Because here's the honest truth, blooming gelatin, heating water, mixing vinegar, timing it before every meal, every single day, gets old fast. Most women start strong and quietly give up within 2 weeks. And a trick you don't keep doing does absolutely nothing. The recipe was never really the problem. The routine is. So here's what I switched to. Instead of mixing that drink every morning, I take a single daily gummy that gives me the same apple cider vinegar support, plus BHB, which helps your body use fat for fuel and keeps your energy steady. 1 gummy, no mixing, no heating, no harsh vinegar taste, no timing it perfectly. The thing that makes the gelatin trick work, the appetite and blood sugar support, but in a form I'll actually keep doing every single day. It's called Gelatin. And that's the whole point. The best health habit isn't the most powerful one, it's the one you'll actually stick with. It's made in the USA, stimulant-free, and comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it for 2 full months, and if it's not for you, you get every penny back. No risk in trying. So if you want to try the homemade gelatin trick, the full recipe is pinned in the comments. Go for it, it genuinely works. But if you're like me and you know yourself well enough to admit, day guarantee. Either way, hit like so other women can find this, and subscribe for more gentle, realistic health after 50. I'll see you in the next one. You won't mix a drink every morning forever, the easier daily version is linked right below with that 60.